What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. On today's video, we're going to talk about solutions that never happened. Things that could have solved the problem with me and my purchase, but just never happened. So if you're a dealership watching this, take notes. This is how you can solve problems with a very reasonable, patient buyer. Someone like myself. All right, let's jump into it. Let's assume that Marshall Goldman wanted to do the right thing and deliver me a working functional car that I could drive and pass smog in California. Imagine waiting a month for your dream car to arrive, only to receive it and not to be able to drive it or register in your state for 3 months. So embarrassing. Try explaining that to your wife or significant other, why you are still a smart person and not a total idiot. Right? Even my insurance agent made me feel embarrassed. He called me and said, "Hey Rob, your car came up as California DMV VIN error." And now my mind is racing. Oh my gosh, did I buy a Euro spec car or something else by accident? I certainly didn't mean to. I don't understand because the car was already registered in the United States. I rushed to the mechanic to take photos of the VIN tags. Long story short, the car spent its life in Florida and briefly in Texas, and then Ohio. It had never been registered in California, but because the car wouldn't pass smog, it wouldn't be in the California DMV yet until it was smogged and registered. So it took me a half a day to sort this out, stressing me out, and I was all relieved. Everything was okay, but this is just unnecessary stress. So I had to call my insurance agent and explain that I needed some more time and the car would be registered soon. He asked me, "Why did you buy a project car?" I said, "I didn't know it was a project. Please make sure the car stays insured before it gets registered." So let's jump into 5 solutions that would have made me happy, not necessarily whole, but would have made me happy without the situation escalating to the point that it's gotten and without me going public with my experience. Okay, so let's rewind the tape a little bit and pretend that I just received the car. Marshall Goldman in Cleveland is 3 hours ahead time-wise, and they just opened for business the following day. I discovered the cosmetic defects that I discussed in the previous videos and the check engine light, and I call them. So here's solution number 1. "Oh my gosh, Mr. Buyer, so sorry to hear about this. Let us arrange for a tow truck to come pick up the car and have it brought to our MG location in Beverly Hills. We'll cover the cost and have it brought to our location in Beverly Hills," right? So we'll cover the cost and find out what's wrong with your car and take care of it. We want you to be happy, and we understand that buying a Ferrari is a once-in-a-lifetime chance for some people. Great. That's a good solution. All right, next solution. "Oh my gosh, so sorry to hear about this. Let's arrange for a tow truck to come pick up the car and have it brought to our MG location in Beverly Hills. The vehicle is an as-is, whereas sale, but we have connections. We can get the mechanical work done for pennies on the dollar. Allow us to pass on our discount to you. If it costs you $15,000 to fix everything from an outside shop, it might cost us only $5,000. That's a win-win situation where you as the buyer save $10,000 and we as the seller don't spend any money except the tow truck 2 ways. As you paid for your 4 new tires at wholesale cost of $1,100. Marshall Goldman would then say, "We want you to be happy and understand that buying a Ferrari is once in a lifetime chance for some people." That would have been great. Didn't happen. Solution 3, you live in the Peninsula Bay Area, California. We sell lots of cars all over Northern California. Here's our local mechanic that we know very well. We trust them. Take it to them and we'll get this sorted out. Didn't happen. All right, solution 4. Here's the full reimbursement for the cost of your mechanic that finished the repairs needed to get the car done and sorted. From this point forward, the maintenance is responsibility is solely yours. Also didn't happen. Now, solution 5, we feel that we're only responsible for X amount of dollars, and we're willing to offer this based on what it would have cost us to fix it in our shop at wholesale price. And therefore, we hope it's enough for you to move on and be satisfied. Never got a settlement offer from them. Solution number 6 is just to buy the car back simply. Take the car back. I asked about this right away and they didn't shoot me down, but they just wouldn't give me an answer. just wouldn't give me an answer, yes or no. So it was very frustrating. So let me just reiterate. None of these solutions were offered. They would have been fine. I'm a really reasonable person. Most people are reasonable. They would have just taken one of those that were proposed instead of getting stonewalled and pushed aside. So let me just reiterate. None of them were offered to me besides tough luck, buddy, as is sale. So are there any other solutions you could think of that would have worked for you if this was you? Please comment below. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to see the next video come soon. I will respond to every comment, even the trolls. Go ahead, comment. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.